Hi, I'm Grateful Ted. Thanks for being here because I really appreciate the time that you invest in watching these videos. Today we're in Portland, and one of the more popular places in Portland is the Oregon Museum of Science and Industry. And we're here today because they have a display going on for the next while. And do you like Legos? You ever stepped on a Lego? You ever have to pick them all up and put them away? Well, this is a Lego display, and supposedly this is the largest, or one of the largest, sculptures of Legos that's ever been done. So let's go see it. There are all kinds of displays here at OMSI. They've got a planetarium. They've got an early U.S. space capsule. Many of their planetarium shows have music like Dark Side of the Moon. So the display that we're going to see is built by a guy named Brickman, I believe. Actually, they were designed by Will Dukas and Gus McLaren.
Where our herbivores are right now by the green location beacons appearing on the central map of the island. The red beacons dotted around the island will show you where our ferocious meat-eating carnivores are currently situated. The raptor pathway.
And you can make your own dinosaurs. There's plenty of Legos around to let you do that. And then they have some examples up above. I think this guy's putting a dino puzzle together of some sort with Legos. Kids pick the piece and then the guy finds it, puts it in the puzzle.
Looks like a suit.
Well, if you made it this far, give yourself a pat on the back because you deserve it. Yes, you do. And if you like what you saw here so far, give it a thumbs up. It really helps me and the channel. And I could always use subscribers, so you might think about subscribing. Next week we have something completely different. It's much more focused for adults, and we will see you next week.